Family vacation in Switzerland. This is the biggest cable car we ever have experienced in Switzerland. I like there in Muren Mountain. The capacity of this cable car is approximate 100, more than 100 people. It's a really big cable car, really I ever have. And my family is enjoying vacation, and it's very nice weather. It's not so cold. After the cable car, we have to transfer to train at the top of the hills, top of the Alps. So this is also after top of the hills. We have to play this sleigh,
Hold
my
that, hold the
kids,
sign.
and that's the husband, my son-in-law, and my daughters. They're scary to go down from the top hills, the snow, and then we're going back to